This affects where you rank on Google when somebody searches for your service, for your business, not your business by name, but when they're searching for what it is you offer in their area. This affects where you come up on the ranking. And this has to do with service pages, having a separate page for each service you offer. For example, Colton's tree service. He does tree trimming or tree removal, stump grinding, tree trimming. He does commercial tree service and residential tree service. So this is an example of all these different services. And you're like, well, David, I only really have one service. I'm a roofer. I do roofs. Or I'm an RV inspector. I do RVs. That's all I do, right? We'll take an example of this guy. He does RV inspections on Class A RVs. He also does them on Class B and Class C and Class Super C, fifth wheel, travel trailer. So these are all individual services that he offers, and they each have their own page. Your ultimate guide to a Class A RV inspection, right? Your ultimate guide to, well, you can do it down here. Ultimate guide, let's see, why Black Dog RV Inspections is your best choice for a Class C RV inspection, right? And guess what? This guy's website is now ranked #1 in his service area. And guess who did it? Yours truly. So this is the kind of stuff you need to do on your website to get ranked higher and maybe even get ranked #1. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.